Cybersecurity in vehicles is a topic that's becoming increasingly crucial as our cars evolve into sophisticated machines with internet connectivity. Modern vehicles are equipped with advanced communication systems like infotainment, telematics, and vehicle-to-everything or V2X technology. While these features enhance our driving experience, they also open up potential entry points for cyber attacks. Imagine your car communicating with traffic lights or other vehicles to optimize your route. It sounds fantastic, but this connectivity can be exploited by cybercriminals. Autonomous vehicles, for instance, rely heavily on data and communication. If a hacker gains access, they could potentially take control of the vehicle, posing serious risks not just to the driver but to everyone on the road. Data privacy is another significant concern. Vehicles collect vast amounts of data, from your driving habits to your personal information. If this data falls into the wrong hands, it could lead to identity theft or other malicious activities. Cyber threats come in various forms, including remote attacks, malware, data theft, and denial of service attacks. Each of these poses unique challenges that we must address. To combat these threats, several key cybersecurity measures are essential. Encryption is crucial for protecting data as it travels between your vehicle and the cloud. Secure communication protocols ensure that the data exchanged is safe from interception. Regular software updates are vital. Just like your smartphone, your vehicle's software needs to be up to date to protect against new vulnerabilities. Intrusion detection systems can alert you to suspicious activities, while access controls help restrict who can interact with your vehicle's systems. Regulations and standards are also stepping up to address these challenges. ISO SA 21434 and UNIS WP.29 are frameworks designed to enhance cybersecurity in vehicles. They set guidelines for manufacturers to follow, ensuring that vehicles are built with security in mind from the ground up. As vehicle owners, there are best practices we should adopt. Always keep your vehicle's software updated. Secure your connections by using trusted networks and be cautious about what you download. Understanding your vehicle's security features can also empower you to take control of your safety on the road. Looking ahead, we can expect exciting trends in vehicle cybersecurity. Advanced encryption techniques will become more prevalent, making it harder for hackers to access sensitive information. The integration of AI and machine learning will enhance threat detection and response capabilities. Moreover, collaboration among manufacturers, regulators, and cybersecurity experts will be crucial in creating a safer driving environment. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Your engagement helps spread awareness about the importance of cybersecurity in our vehicles. Don't forget to hit the bell button for regular updates.